under. Just make sure you twist your foot too. And then kind of comes under your arch back to your baby toe, okay? So that's one. Then we're gonna go to your second toe to your fourth toe.
Okay.
So they kind of overlap. Doesn't have to be, and it goes right behind your heel. And then it kind of comes right like that. Okay. And then now, first the big toe to that toe, okay? This is part one. So there's a lot of taping involved. Oops. Fix this here. Next patient. Okay, so then now I'm doing 3 that kind of make a tight arch. So I pull up here. So it's kind of stabilizing that 5th metatarsal there. And then again, I pull up here, like that. Okay. And I'll do one more. Okay. So it's kind of like 3. Okay. And then sometimes what I do is I'll just do like just a couple just to kind of anchor it in. So I'll go like this. Probably enough. Okay. And we'll loosen up. Okay, that's good.